Today we are going to remove the multi-shot magazine and replace it with a single shot tray in the Manul. So first of all, cop the action. So it is the probe is out of the way. You will need a T6 Torx bit to remove the 2 screws to start with. Just be careful not to lose your screws. The magazine will then slide out to the left or right. A little bit of force may be required just to push it through the probe. Take your single shot tray. Keep the probe pulled back that little bit more and it just slides in from the top. Take the 2 screws, replace them in, and then you will need a T8 Torx bit. The screws want to be slightly nipped but not overly tight, and then you're ready to fire.